Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 8th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir, we have a reversal, all right. So Palantir closed down $1.12. 4.19%. We closed at 25.58. Post-market, we seem to be down a little bit more by 12 cents. So let's look at what happened. So we were trending very close to the resistance for the past 4 or 5 days. And without any sign of a reversal except this little hangman, we have a big red candle. So we opened a little bit down from yesterday and then went just straight down, and we went quite low. Let's look at it on the hour chart. I don't know if you hear it, but it's raining cats and dogs outside, and my patio door is open, so you might hear some noise a little bit. Let's look at this. This is the first hour. This is the first hour at 9:30. We had a support right here at 26.24. It's now becoming a resistance. So we had that support, and this held since September 2nd at 9:30. We have been above that 26.24, and today we crossed that during the first hour, and we did a little pause, and I'm still looking for that second number. Trading View, if you are listening to me, you need to fix this. 25.74. 25.74 was another resistance, more significant one. And during the first hour, we went and touched that resistance perfectly. Click. And we opened the second hour above 25.74. So we could have stayed there and resumed. But no, this is not what happened. And after the first candle, stochastic was at 14. That would have been your clue to get out of the stock if you had been looking at the stock on the 1 hour chart. When you see a candle like this going to support and there's a stochastic at 19, which is extremely low, then personally, this is what I use to get out of the stock. So I don't hesitate to go into the hourly chart to get out quick when things are going badly. So the stock went down during the second hour, third hour, and now it is pulling back a little bit. So getting close to 25.74. So 25.74 is becoming a resistance. And we also have this resistance right here. And I'm just going to make sure that I did not do the mistake. Yeah, I did not do the mistake. Trading View did the mistake. So we are pulling back a little bit, but stochastic is at 33, so this pullback is not very strong. It does not seem like it's going to come back very quickly with a stochastic that low. Let's go back to the daily chart. So let's look at the damage on the daily chart in terms of the indicators. Okay, stochastic at 72, plunging a little bit. RSI plunged also underneath our resistance. MACD still positive, but getting close to crossing over, and the two lines of the MI are getting closer and closer together. What might be happening is that our 31 buck objective might not come that soon, so we might be doing a little pullback to the support before trying again. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. You can join me for $5 a month to get access to my weekly Tesla and Palantir technical analysis I do on the weekend. And if you happen to be online, then you can join me and we can chat together. We also have a Trading View affiliate link. I complain about Trading View because I'm a perfectionist, but it's still a very good product. So if you are interested in getting some discount on a Trading View plan, then I have a link in the comment section below. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.